Hello. Today we are on Saturday, the 28th of December, 2024. Lesson 1, the English alphabet. In English, there are 26 letters which are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I'd like you to read the letters silent reading by yourselves. In our first lesson about the English alphabet, I'd like you to focus on 7 sounds, which are A, E, O, U, R. The sound A, like in the letter A, and the sound E, like in the letter B, and the sound like in the letter F, and the sound O, like in the letter O, the sound U, like in the letter Q, and the sound R, like in the letter R. Now, as you can see, I put in the same line the letters in which appears the sound A. Let's read them together. A, H, J, K. The second line, we found the letters B, C, D, E, G, P, T, V, Z. The letter Z in the American accent is pronounced Z, whereas in the British accent, it is pronounced Z, Z. So it is put in the line of the sound like in the letter F, L, N, N, S, X, Z. The next line, I, Y. The following line, the letter O, O, O. The next line, we find the letters Q, U, W. And the last line, we find the letter R, R, R. Thank you for watching.